Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to make a player pawn which can enter a vehicle. That means he can possess a vehicle and can drive along this map. So for that, we have used the vehicle template project. And now what we need to do is we need to add a feature pack for the third person so that we can control the third person and possess the vehicle template then. Great. And let's close these. And in the game mode override, let's go and select the third person game mode. So now we have the third person game mode selected, and we also need the vehicle to be around us. So let's go and get to vehicles. Oops, sorry. We need to go to vehicle template, blueprints, and let's go with sports car and drag this sports one here. Now we need a player start. So let's delete the original player start. Go to plus button and basic and get the player start here. Little above because it says bat size. So this should work. Let's save all. Play. So we now have the vehicle. Let's this is under the ground, that's why you see that bump. So let's just make that above the ground. Yeah, now it's functioning. Now it's fine. Now let's go and do what we require to do. So let's open our default pawn class. Drag it up here. Make a key which when pressed will get you inside the vehicle. So let's make the F key. And when this is pressed, we need to find the vehicle nearest to us. So get all actors of class, and this is vehicle. What is the name of this vehicle? It's a sports car. And then make a for each loop with break. Oops. Now on this part, check if the distance of this character to the vehicle is less than maybe 1000. So 1000 would act like I believe it's very close to the vehicle. That means 1000. Yeah. And then make a branch. Compile and save. And if this is true, let's just go here. And if this is true, then we need to possess this vehicle. So if this is true, then make a sequence first and break the loop. We don't want to search for any other car now. So this is a little bit of optimization step also. So let's just break the loop, double click to make a reroute node, and yeah, that looks good. And if this is true, then we just need to get the controller of the current thing, of the current player, and possess this. And the pawn would be this one. So let's go little far, and if I press F, I can get into the car. So if you want to check what is the distance of the car, let's make a D node, or maybe G key, and we can just get this, get a copy, and get distance to other actor would be the self, that means the actor itself, and then print the string. Let's compile and save and check. So if I press G here, it says 270 is the distance. if I press G here, it says 693. So distance of this would be optimum, so that would be less than 500. So let's make this less than 500. So if I now go and press G, so it's 763, and if I now press F, nothing happens. Now I press G, nothing happens. Now if I press F, I get into the vehicle. But we still have the character behind us, which looks a little bad because we now are driving the vehicle, so Vaya is our character outside. So let's, now we don't, this is just for testing, so let's delete this. So after this, what we need to do is we need to destroy the actor, and the actor would be self. So this will fix that thing. Let's check. If I press F, I get into the vehicle. No player pawn, it has been destroyed. So yeah, that is very nice thing to do. So yeah, that is it for this video. In the next video, we are going to make an exit system for the vehicle, so that we can uh, get out of the vehicle whenever we are done with the vehicle. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you. Meet you in the next one.